Over 15 years ago, Google reinvented laptops for the cloud-first world with the Chromebook. With a shift from operating system to intelligence system, we thought it was time for another fundamental reinvention. This year, we are taking the best of Android, a modern OS with powerful apps on Google Play, and the best of Chrome OS, which comes with the world's most popular browser and the biggest library of extensions. And are now bringing them together, creating a new category of laptops that are built with Gemini at the core, work seamlessly with the devices in your life, and are powered by premium hardware. Meet Googlebook. Googlebooks are the first laptops designed for Gemini intelligence from the ground up, delivering personal and proactive help at every turn. Let me show you what they can do that you can't already do with your existing laptop. When you open up a Googlebook, you'll see one of the hallmarks of any laptop, the good old cursor. For something that's everywhere on your laptop, it's surprising that it's really gone nowhere since its last big innovation, the right click. With Gemini intelligence, we thought the cursor could be so much more. With just a wiggle, you'll see the cursor come alive. Now, as I point at things, I get quick contextual suggestions. Check this out. Point at a date in this email. I can set up some time with my friends, draft a reply, or find good spots to meet up. Quick, easy, contextual. Because this is built with Gemini, it's fully multimodal. For example, as I look at a photo of our new nursery, I realize the wall looks a tad empty, and I want to add a pop of color. So let me select this picture of the nursery and then select another image of a wallpaper I like. And let's throw in a new crib too. I now have the option to visualize them all together. In order to do this on today's laptops, you'd have to right-click, save to images, upload to a chatbot, and then prompt. Instead, your Googlebook can understand the context and immediately get to work. That looks like a perfect little nest. It's like magic. That's why we call it Magic Pointer. This is a new, transformative way to bring Gemini's help to your fingertips, quite literally. And because you can access it by just wiggling your cursor, it's easy to go from idea to I'm done in an instant. Speaking of reinventing things, we're also bringing Create My Widget to Googlebooks. Gemini Intelligence can pull everything I need into a single, completely custom-built widget, making the desktop my truly personalized home. Let me show you how. I'm planning a family reunion in Berlin later this year. Now, I can just prompt Gemini to create a widget to keep track of everything for me. And in a single click, you'll see it all come together. Here's my flight, my hotel information, restaurant reservations, and even a countdown so I don't miss it this year. Now, Googlebooks can run the most powerful apps on their own, but they're also designed from the get-go to be the perfect partner to your Android phone. We all know this moment. You're on your laptop, but need to do something quick on your phone, like ordering some food or checking your baby monitor. And there goes your focus. That's why we've made it possible to access your phone apps right on your Googlebook without ever picking up your phone. I've been taking Portuguese lessons on Duolingo, and my streak is precious to me. So let's make sure I get my daily lesson in. I can pop over here and without ever leaving my screen, start it. No downloading, no awkward emulated touchscreen controls, no digging out my phone from the bottom of my bag. It just works. This wouldn't be a true laptop demo without pulling up a file browser. With Googlebook, we've built in a feature called Quick Access. Because my phone is connected to my laptop, I can easily access the files on it right from the Googlebook's file browser. For those moments when someone sends you a picture or in a chat app and you need to attach it to an email, these files are just here. All right. Our partners at HP, our partners at Dell, at Lenovo, Acer, and Asus are just as excited as we are about Googlebooks. Every Googlebook will be built with premium craftsmanship and materials. And they'll come in a variety of shapes and sizes. And you'll know it's a Googlebook by the unique Glowbar, a statement both functional and beautiful. We can't wait for you to get a chance to try Googlebooks. They will be available later this year, So stay tuned for more from us.